everyone, and welcome to day 58 of the 100 Days Python Programming Challenge. And what is the topic for today? Today I would show you how you can generate passwords in Python. It is advisable that at least once a year you should update all your passwords. And the year is almost over, so I advise you, if you have not done so, update all your passwords. This is how you ensure that your passwords are secured all the time. But that's not the topic. Today I'm just going to show you how you can generate strong passwords using Python. To the screen. Hello everybody, and welcome to day 58 of the 100 Days Python Programming Challenge. We're moving slowly but surely. So today we'll be generating passwords, and I will be showing you two methods of how to do that. And what I will be using is the random, because I want to generate random characters, and I also want to use the string method. So see, this is a documentation. This is a documentation for common strings operation. So this, you can check it out, and then you can see all the stuffs you can do with string, lowercase, uppercase, digits, X digits, oct digits, punctuations, and so on and so forth. So I've imported my random and my string that we'll be using in this tutorial. So the first thing is I want to generate a random password. And I want the password to have lowercase letters. I want it to have uppercase letters. I want it to have digits, and I want it to have special characters. If you go to our string, you see this is how we'll get our digits. This is how we'll get our letters, and this is how we'll get our punctuations. So those are the threes that we would use. So let's have a function, and let's call it generate password. I want to also make it possible for my user to be able to specify how many digits do they want in the password, the length of their password. So I would have length there as my parameters. And then my character, I want my character lowercase, uppercase, digits, and special character, which is my punctuations. So I will do that by using my string.async letters, string.digits, string.punctuation. So I want all of them. And then I want to generate random. So just random of any of this. So I'll use define my variable password, and I'll use the join and random choice character for I in the range of the length that my user gives me. So this is my password, and then I'm using the join. So random that we imported here, random.choice of the character for I in the range of length. So this is my function. Then let's return password. Return password. And then let's get the input from the user. I want the user to tell me how long they want the password to be. So what is the length? What is their choice? They can decide to make the password 4 characters, 10 characters, 20 characters. It depends on them. And you see, I'm using an int here because we said when we use the input function in Python, the result is usually a string. So I'm converting it into an int because I'm trying to calculate the length of the password. And finally, let's call our function. So our function is generate password. So we want to call our function on the password length. So I'll have generated password equals to generate password length. And finally, let's now print out the password. Our randomly generated password. So we'd use an F string. I've been using F strings a lot. And then let's run this. So enter your desired password length. I want a length of 10. And this, we get our password. So this is how you generate basic passwords in Python using the lowercase. We specified we want lowercase. Let's see, we have a lowercase, we have an uppercase, we have digits, and we have punctuations. So we have them all in our 10 length. So the next thing is to add complexity to the password. You want to generate a strong password. So what I want to do here is that I want my password to at least have a length of 4, and then I want to randomly choose one character from each category. So I want to always have a lowercase, I want to have an uppercase, I want to have a digit, and I want to have a special character. And then the rest of the password, I then want to fill it at random from any of the characters. So I want minimum length of 4, and then the rest of out of the 4 would then be a random choice. This is ensuring that your password would always have a lowercase, an uppercase, a digit, and a special character. So now let's write our function to generate that password. So we have generate strong password, and again the length, but in this case the length must be greater than 4. So then I want to put an if condition, that if length is less than 4, then I want to print a message that I want to return that the password must be at least 4. The password length must be at least 4. So we have password length must be at least 4. So this ensures that our password has a greater length than 4. And then I want to now randomly choose. I want to randomly choose a lowercase, an uppercase, a digit, and a special character. And I would, we imported random, so we use random.choice. I believe here also we use random.choice. So we'll use that, but then don't have that here. We have our lower, this is for our lowercase, random.choice string ACL, lowercase, uppercase, digits, and punctuation. And you can find this in the string documentation. And then we know we want the rest of the length of our password to just be chosen at random. So it doesn't matter if the rest are all capital letters or the rest are all small letters, and the rest doesn't matter. So our remaining length is equal to length minus 4. And then our remaining characters will then join as random the way we did it earlier for the first password. So this is our remaining character. We're joining based on this for in the range of our remaining length. So now let's combine them. Let's combine our lower, upper, digit, and special and our remaining characters. So now we would combine them together because we just defined that this is what we want. We want upper, lower case, digit, special, and we want our remaining characters to be. So let's combine them together. Let's bring them together, and we'll bring them together by using the plus, the way we did our characters here by just using the plus. That is the same way we'll just do it here. So we'll have our password equals to lower plus upper plus digit plus special, and then plus the remaining characters. We can stop here, but we can also do something. We can also shuffle them together, shuffle the characters. So it's not always I said that lower uppercase, whatever you want. I'm just taking it a step further to shuffle my characters. And finally, I will return my password. So this is return password. And then let's get our input from the user. But here you know that the input must be greater than 4. So that should also be in our message, that enter your desired password length and the minimum is 4. And finally, as we did previously, let's call our function and let us print out our generated password. So we'll call our generated strong password on our password length, and then we'll print out our generated strong password. And if I run this, and if I enter 3, for instance, You see, password must be at least 4. And then if I enter 10, we get our generated password. So you see, it is at random because we shuffled it. If I remove this shuffle, let's see, and then I run it and then I put 10, we see that it starts from lowercase, uppercase, digit, and then the special characters. If I do this again, 7, the same thing, lowercase, uppercase, digits, and character. But then if you then bring back the shuffle and you want to shuffle the characters, and I put 9, you see it is shuffled, so not taking a particular position. So this is how we added complexity to our password, how we created a basic password, and there are practice questions for you to try out. Try it out and let me know, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 59. That's it for this video. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, to share, and to leave a comment. And the link to the notebook that we worked on is available in my GitHub. Link is in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.